Hi everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see previous aptitude questions of InfyTQ. See the first question. There are two pipes X and Y. They can separate the fill the tank in 10 minutes and 15 minutes. Now the question is both the pipes are open together for 4 minutes and after the 4 minutes the pipe X is turned off. Now they are asking that how much more time will be taken to fill the tank. Now observe here, there are two pipes X and Y, right? Now observe, they can separately fill the tank in 10 and 15 minutes. Now take the LCM of 10 and 15, which means 5 2s and 3s, which means 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30, which means the total tank capacity will be 30 liters. Now observe, for the 4 minutes, both work together, right? Now let X can fill 30 by 10, which means it can fill 3 liters per minute. Now similarly, Y can fill the 30 by 15, right? 2 liters per minute. Now observe, both pipes are open for 4 minutes, which means for 4 minutes, both X and Y, 3 plus 2, both are acting. And now for the remaining time, let the entire time be N. So the remaining time will be how much? N minus 4. N minus 4 into, for that only Y is acting, right? Because X is turned off. What is the Y filling 2? Which means this is equal to the total capacity 30. How much it will be? 3 plus 2, 5, 5 4 20 plus 2n minus 8 equal to 30. Now 2n equal to how much? 18. N equal to 9, which means total 9 minutes will be taken. Out of them, 4 minutes were acted by both X and Y pipes. So extra more time is taken is 5 minutes. Now see the another question. There's a combo pack of pencil and eraser. And the pencil cost is 1 rupee more than eraser, right? Observe. The pencil cost is 1 rupee more than the eraser. Let the eraser cost is X. So the pencil cost will be 1 plus X, right? Because 1 rupee more. Now observe this statement. Price of the combo pack is 1.10, which means the price of the pencil plus price of the eraser equal to 1.1. Now observe. Now substitute P equal to 1 plus X. And the cost of eraser is X, right? Equal to 1.1. Now 2x equal to 0.1. Then x equal to how much? 0.05. See, what is the price of the eraser? Price of eraser is X, right? 0.05, which means 5 pies. Similarly, ABC started walking from the same point in different directions. Observe, let me draw the directions here. East, this is west, this is north, and this is south. Now ABC are walking from towards different directions from the same point. Let the same point is here. A walked towards east. He walked towards east. B walked towards west. They're walking in straight line, okay. C walked towards south. Yes. Now observe, at the end of 1 hour, they were all at same distance. And distance between A and B is 6 kilometers, which means from A to B there is 6 kilometers and this is equidistance, right? So this will be 3, this will be 3. Now they are asking the distance between A and C. They are asking this distance, this be X for example. And this is also 3 because They are at same distance, right? From starting to A there is 3 meters, 3 kilometers. Then starting to the C will be 3 kilometers also. Now observe, this is a Pythagoras theorem where x square equal to, let it be origin AO square plus OC square, which is nothing but 3 square plus 3 square, right? X square equal to, when I taken 3 square as common, means 9 as common, then 1 plus 1 you will get 2, which means x will be root 2 into 3. You will get 3 into 1.4 and 4 will be, answer will be 4.24. This will be our answer. Means the distance between A and C is 4.24 kilometers. Now observe this example. A pipe can fill water at a rate of 35 liters per 10 minutes. Observe, 35 liters in 10 minutes. Now observe, for 1 minute how much it can fill. Let x be the pipe. It fills 35 by 10, which means it fills 3.5 liters per minute. Per minute only. Now observe, to fill the 2/3 empty tank, it takes 12 minutes. And they are finally asking the capacity of the tank. Observe, 2/3 of the tank is filled by in 12 minutes, right? Which means 2/3 of the tank capacity is equal to, for 12 minutes you have been filled 3.5 liters for every minute. Now compute, C equal to 12 into 3.5, this 3 by 2, this 2 by 3, this, if it comes this side it becomes 3 by 2. It will be 6, right? Now 3.5 into 6 and 6 3 is 18, right? 18 into 3.5. Now the answer will be 63 liters. This is the total tank capacity, C. Now observe this example. For a product, a series of discounts has been given. Observe, let the initial price of the product be 100. If you given 20% discount, the 20% of 100 is how much? 100 into 0.2, which is nothing but 20 rupees. You need to reduce the 20 rupees from this. So you will get 80. And on this 80 rupees, you are given 10 more percentage. Means what? 80 into 0.1, 10% means, which means 8 rupees, right? You need to remove 8 rupees from this. It will be 72. On this 72, you given one more 10 percentage. 72 into 0.1, which means 7.2 rupees you had given discount. Means out from 72, you need to remove 7.2. So it will be 64.8. As you observe, this is the final value we got after giving a series of discount of 20%, 10% and 10%. Now observe, this will be equal to how much discount? Remove 64.8 from 100, which means 10 minus 8, 2, 9 minus 4, it will be 5, and here it will be how much? 3. 35.2 you will get. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please practice this type of problems and practice the problems related to the pipes and systems, time, distance, compound interest and simple interest also. Thank you.